We got the Pocky Chip Challenge. It's one chip. Carolina Reaper. World's hottest chili pepper. We're gonna give this a go, see how bad it is. Comes in a nice little coffin. One chip. Fear the Reaper. Let's crack this baby open. Oh yeah. She's loaded all right. Look at that. Stuff all over it. It's pretty, it's got a bunch of that powder stuff in there. Yeah. Definitely smelling pepper too. Here we go. Cheers. It's not too bad. You can feel it on the tongue a little bit. It's starting to kick in now. Oh yeah. Whew. It's good though. It's got a good flavor. Oh yeah. I get the hiccups. Yeah. Eyes are starting to water up. Of course, got the hiccups. And okay, you can see some of the powder here still on the. Oh man. Oh. Yeah, it's hot. My eyes are actually starting to tear. Oh. Yeah, it's hot all right. Holy crap. Whew. Well, it's probably been a couple of minutes. I'll probably check in here in a little bit.